Well, if you think you're paying too much for windstorm insurance, lawmakers are working on a plan to fix it, at least for the next couple of years. Chief Investigative Reporter Rick Sproul joins us here in the studio with details. Rick?
Mike, House Bill 4534 would require the Texas Insurance Commissioner to approve any premium rate hike proposed by TWIA for the next 2 storm seasons. For years, TWIA has been allowed to raise premiums by 5% without state approval, so this represents a significant change to the way they do business. You may remember last year, TWIA asked for a 10% premium rate hike, but Governor Greg Abbott blocked it and then told lawmakers to come up with a plan to keep windstorm insurance affordable. Now, this bill seems to do just that by creating a TWIA funding oversight board. Now, that board, made up of state lawmakers, would be required to study TWIA's current funding structure and come up with a better one. Now, the bill has passed out of the Senate. The bill has passed out of the House and is now on the way to the Senate. If it makes it into law, we will be back with a more in-depth analysis of what it means to you. Rick Sproul, 6 Investigates.